Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're flying along in formation with Bill Hatton and his old cheetah. He and his partner Larry owned it, and we're flying to Bolton Field in Columbus, Ohio to get some barbecue as part of the Great Lakes Fly-In in May of 2004. Stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So as you can see, everybody had a good time there, and here's a group shot of all the folks who had barbecue at Bolton Field. Didn't get any pictures, and we didn't get any pictures of the barbecue place, but you kind of get the idea. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying. Your Grumman.